everyone, I am Muskan Maudgil and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Wish you all a very happy new year, and in this video I'll be discussing my vision board for the year 2022. We'll also be discussing how you as an individual can design your own vision board and make your dreams come true in this coming year. So without any further delay, let's get started. Let's begin with what a vision board is. Vision board, as the name suggests, is the visual representation of your dreams and your ideas that you have in your life. Vision board can be of two types, long term and short term. In this video for my year 2022, I'll be designing a mixture of both the long term and short term goals in my life. So where does the concept of vision board come from? Talking about my personal experience, I first came to know about vision board when I read the book The Secret by Rhonda Byrne. And if you haven't read the book and you do not know what the law of attraction is, or you haven't seen the documentary yet, I'll link it down in the description below. You must check it out. Trust me, it will change your life forever. Basically, what you do for making your vision board is you take out different photographs from maybe newspapers, magazines, or even Google Images. You take the printouts or maybe cut them. Now, those photographs should represent how you are as an individual and what you vision your life to be. You have to place your vision board at a place where you can see it every day. With the power of law of attraction, it is suggested when you visualize what your dreams are, what your goals are, repeatedly over time it starts to become true. Vision boards are all about manifesting your ideas and your dreams and actually believing in yourself that if I have set this target, I can definitely make it come true. For making your own vision board, what I would suggest is take a rough paper and write down all the rough ideas of your dreams and goals that you have for the coming year. For example, for my vision board, I'll start with a central quote. This central quote is going to be something that my vision board is going to revolve around, what is my basic principle that I will be following in 2022. On top of this central quotation, I'll be adding my goals for my YouTube channel in 2022. And just below the central quotation, I'll be adding all my academic goals for this year. Now, I wish to add some of my long-term goals in my vision board as well. So this area I'll be reserving for all my long-term goals that I have in my life. So I'll add photographs of a hospital interior that caters to the needs of small animal practice, because I really want to work in a hospital setting later in my life and maybe one day own my own hospital. Other than that, I'll also be adding the photograph of a huge closet for sure. Also, I'll be adding the photograph of a nice cozy house, because one day I wish to own my own house. In the long run, I also vision to dye my hair, so yes, that's the photograph that will be going below it. I also wish to have ear piercings. Also, I vision to be able to do a giveaway in this channel in the next year itself, so I'll write it down here. Now let's talk about all the short-term goals that I have for this coming year. I really want to invest my time towards a healthy living, so I'll just try to find something related to exercise. I do not support aiming for a particular body size, because that's really toxic. All the body sizes are beautiful. However, in the past year I have realized that I haven't been that active in terms of physical activity, so I want to focus more on building my muscle strength. Other than that, in 2022 I wish to prioritize my mental well-being. 2021, trust me, has been a total roller coaster for me. There were so many things going on. For example, there was COVID, there was online classes, and I was working for different positions under IVSA. Other than that, I also started my own YouTube channel. So at one point in the previous year, I felt that there is just so much on my plate that I cannot handle it. I wanted to be perfect in everything that I take up. I tend to be a perfectionist, so which is toxic. At some point, I would do so many things at the same time that it eventually burned me out. So in 2022, I wish I could prioritize my mental well-being a bit more. Now, this might be a bit weird, but I also wish to try Starbucks in 2022. Many of you might be like, Starbucks, should that even be on your vision board? But yes, I have never got the opportunity to try Starbucks, and I would actually love to have the drink wherein they write your name on the top of it. And so yes, I would like to try Starbucks in 2022, and hopefully I'm able to do it. Also, I would love if my YouTube channel gets monetized in the coming year. I've been working so hard to make these videos, and sometimes I feel that if you make videos on a particular topic, for example, my main topic is veterinary, and it narrows down the audience a lot. So it takes more efforts to build a reasonable amount of audience before you can actually start earning through YouTube. In YouTube, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 hours of public watch time. That is a huge number. So I wish I'm able to complete it in this year. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to subscribe. So as I mentioned earlier, in 2022, I wish to be able to read more books. I love fiction novels. What else? No birthday in lockdown. So I've been celebrating my last 2 birthdays in lockdown. So this time I wish COVID is a bit more merciful and I can celebrate my birthday without lockdown. So I'll definitely be writing that down in my vision board. I also wish to visit a beach. I've never been to a beach in my whole life. So preferably Goa. I'll note that down in my vision board as well. I also wish to attend a music concert in 2022. So I'll note that down as well. I hope this comes true. And I also want to have more opportunities and more competitions and win more prizes. So I'll note that down as well. I think there's already too much going on my vision board currently, but there's just 2 more things that I want to add. So first I have tasty food. I want to try variety of so many different cuisines in 2022. I am a total foodie. So writing that down, and I also want to try Pilgrim Skincare. So I'll just add the photograph of Pilgrim Skincare products in my vision board. I'm currently obsessed with 2 things in my life. One is skincare and the other is instant noodles. So if you hand me a bowl of instant noodles along with a sheet mask, I'll be happy for the rest of the day. That was all for my vision board, and I hope you are able to make a rough outline of your vision board as well. Now I'll be searching a few Google images that fit best to how I actually envision all these things. Some people prefer to have their vision board in digital form. They just make the collage of all the photographs that they have chosen and just keep them in their mobile phone or laptop. But I really want to design the hard copy of it, so I'll be designing it myself. So what I have planned for my vision board is that I'll be taking this cardboard sheet and I'll paste a black chart paper on top of it. On top of that, I'll stick all my photographs that I have printed out so far, and that will be for my vision board. Let's get on to the crafting.
So for the center, I've chosen this quotation which says, "Universe respects the law of attraction, but I also think it respects the law of hustle a lot more." Which means it's not only enough that you have pasted the photographs of different dreams that you have in your life, it's also important to work for them and actually make them happen. So here I've assembled the central line with my YouTube channel, 15k subscribers I wish to achieve by the end, and also monetize my YouTube channel. There's this quotation that says, "Bossy girl is not overbearing, she is just an assertive female who knows what she wants." And these are my academic goals for the coming year. Okay everyone, so here's the final product. This is my vision board for the year 2022, including some of my long-term goals. Giving you a quick insight of some extra things that I added on the way is a Polaroid camera. I really want to own one Polaroid camera by the end of this year. I also wish to have a Rolls Royce in some part of my life. This is the house, the closet. This depicts me as a doctor in the future, and these are all the piercings. Now I don't want to have these many amount of piercings. This was the cutest that I could find on Google Images. This is the hospital interior. This is the hair dye. This is my name on the Starbucks mug. Here are a few quotes. I really want to visit the temples of South India, and there's Goa. So that was all for the video, guys. This was my first time making a vision board, and I hope by the end of this year I am able to fulfill most of the wishes that I have visualized for myself. Trust me, it was such an incredible experience. I recommend everybody watching this video right now to make their own vision boards. This helps you to have a lot more insight in what you vision your life, long term as well as short term. So that was all for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my content, please make sure to like, subscribe and share this video. Happy New Year and thank you so much.